Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Telegram's new channels tab and recommended channels feature make it easier than ever to discover and follow interesting content. So let's walk through how to use these features to enhance your Telegram experience. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account and then click on search bar, which is at the top. The search interface has a new channels tab that shows the channels you follow. The tab also has a list of recommended channels with similar topics where you can discover new content creators. Channel recommendations are based only on the general topic of channels you already subscribe to, so any predominance of a particular type of channel or subject is entirely on you. And when you find a channel that interests you, tap on it to view more details. And if you want to follow the channel, simply hit the join button, which is at the bottom, and now you will receive updates from this channel in your feed. By using the new channels tab and recommended channels feature, you can easily discover and follow content that interests you on Telegram. Stay informed and entertained with the channels tailored to your preferences. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.